Locking down your system to prevent the use of external storage should be a critical component of your cybersecurity strategy. However, sometimes you may need to create exceptions. For example, you may want to permit reading photos from a USB drive, but not other file types. ThreatLocker gives you a lot of flexibility when it comes to locking down your storage systems. In this video, we'll show you how you can configure ThreatLocker to block access to USB drives while permitting read access to photos only. Log in to the ThreatLocker portal. Select Storage Control and then Policies. Select New Storage Policy to create a policy to block access to USB drives. In this case, I will select to deny both read and write access. I can give the user the option to request permission when a USB drive is blocked. I'm going to apply the policy to the entire organization. The policy could also be applied to an individual computer or computer group. Next, select the interface type to be USB. Save the policy. This new policy will stop any USB drives from being used in your organization. The next step is to create a new policy to permit access for JPEG files only. On the New Policy page, select Permit. You have the option to either permit read or to permit read and write. In this case, we will only permit read. This will stop files from being copied to a USB device, but it will still allow photos to be read from a USB drive. Select the interface type as USB. This time, I'm only going to apply the policy to JPEG files. No other files will be permitted. Select Save. Within 60 seconds of deploying policies, the policy will take effect. When I open the USB drive, I can view a list of files, but I am unable to read or copy any content from the drive that is not a photo. If I try to view a file, access will be denied. As you can see, I can still read JPEG files and copy them from the USB drive. Because we set this as a read-only policy, I can copy files from the USB drive. But if I try and copy a file from the computer to the USB drive, it will not be permitted. This is just a short example of how ThreatLocker firewall-like policies can help you manage and control storage devices. For more information, please set up a free web demonstration by visiting us at www.threatlocker.com. ThreatLocker gives business the tools they need to control what is happening on their IT infrastructure. ThreatLocker Control stops any unauthorized software from running on your computers. This includes unknown malware, viruses, and remote access tools.